if you prefer to do your bookkeeping in Excel or Google Sheets, but you feel like the data that's in your current system just isn't cutting it, then this video is for you. My name is Danny. I am the owner of a small bookkeeping firm called Upscale Bookkeeping, and we help small businesses of all sizes, primarily online and e-commerce businesses, and we love to build better bookkeeping spreadsheets. Now, we have a few spreadsheets available on our website, but we're excited to roll out our newest spreadsheet because what we've done is we have gone a step beyond your typical income and expense tracking spreadsheets, and we have implemented the basis of our business, which is profit planning, into the spreadsheet so that you can do this on your own. Now, what profit planning is, if you are not familiar, is the idea of essentially planning out the funds in your business before you actually spend it. So what you will do is tell the spreadsheet how much profit you would like to retain in your business at the end of the month. And we don't mean profit in terms of net profit, as in your income minus your expenses. Instead, what we mean is profit retention. So how much funds or how much profit do you want to retain in the bank account after you've paid yourself, after you've paid your taxes, after you've paid out all of your marketing, and after you've paid your operating expenses? After all of that is said and done, how much money of that profit would you like to retain in your bank account? Now, that is what this spreadsheet does for you. You will tell the spreadsheet how much profit you would like to make, and you will tell the spreadsheet what percentage of revenue that profit is going to be, along with the percentage of revenue for your taxes, owner pay, marketing expenses. And from there, the spreadsheet's going to tell you exactly how much money you need to earn. It's going to tell you what your maximums are for your taxes, what your maximums is for your owner pay, what your budget maximum is going to be for your marketing, along with your operating expenses. And essentially, it's going to give you the data that you're going to need to make sure that if you have a goal for your profit, that goal is met. Now, we also do have a budgeter inside of the spreadsheet that's going to help you ensure that you are planning out your expenses in your business, or at least analyzing them, so that you are spending the minimum that you need to spend in order to retain the level of business that you are currently having, and at least retain the client experience that you are currently providing for your clientele. Now, what the spreadsheet's also going to do is where it's going to have many different dashboards, and the dashboards are going to be helpful for you so that you can track your business activity on an annual basis, on a monthly basis. We're also going to have a 5-year dashboard because this is a 5-year multi-year spreadsheet. We're also going to give you a comparison dashboard that allows you to compare your profit and loss statement on a monthly or a yearly basis, and it has a profit and loss generator. So all you'll need to do is essentially export that profit and loss and hand it over to your CPA to file your taxes every single year. Now, in the next videos, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this spreadsheet works. So if you're interested, go ahead and follow over to the next video and you can see the spreadsheet in action.